Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are discussing the recent allegations of Pakistan-based operatives infiltrating India's via Nepal. According to Indian media reports, 3 alleged operatives were Pakistani were planning a Vajra attack in Bihar. However, analysts are dismissing these reports as fabricated accusations aimed at maligning Pakistan. The Indian narrative raises more questions than it answers. If such individuals had truly infiltrated into India, shouldn't be the first accountability falls on India's own border control mechanisms? Observers note that such stories surface at politically sensitive times, ahead of elections or international forums when the BJP government seeks to rally domestic support through anti-Pakistan rhetoric. Analysts contend that such allegations serve dual processes, deflecting attention from internal crisis and fueling fear and division among the Indian public. Instead of constantly blaming Pakistan, analysts stress that India must question its own institutions. The Nepal infiltration stories appear less about real security threats, more about sustaining a manufactured anti-Pakistan narrative. That's all for today. Stay aware, stay vigilant. Thank you.